Society is always trying to fit us into smaller and smaller boxes, using publicity to embrace jerking off to unreal content and denying marriages. These men are weak, lazy, awkward, and ashamed to our great, strong ancestors. You want to follow in the footsteps of your great ancestors and fulfill the meaning of manliness, or you just want to sit in that tiny box and watch unreal, explicit content. For the lone wolf with strong empathic tendencies, this one's for you. We will tell you about the lessons that every man needs to learn about seed retention. Why are some men's personalities and auras powerful while others are weak? The answer to this question is quite simple and straightforward. The majority of men waste their life force by wasting their seed while watching NSFW content. You might think I'm making things up, but you all need to pay close attention. It is untrue. Routine hand practice has been misrepresented to all of us as a healthy habit. It's a common occurrence in movies and on social media, but it's entirely false. People who pose as experts constantly feed our minds with false information. Every masculine man needs to learn about seed retention. Seed retention is essentially the act of not ejaculating. Seed retention teaches the man to stay disciplined and allows the person to understand the value of real things and how nature should work. Your seed wasn't made, so you could just jerk it off and throw it in the toilet. The alleged advantages of seed retention are frequently promoted online by social media influencers to their followers. There are frequent assertions that seed retention can boost a person's testosterone levels and enhance their general mental and physical health, but there is no scientific support for these assertions yet. The claims made about the benefits of seed retention are likely based on an individual's personal experience. Regrettably, 99% of men lose it online. They lose their strong energy so quickly, and the majority of them do it several times per day. We all agree that men have higher levels of erotic arousal than women. And the modern world has made it incredibly simple to access it and view content that stimulates such desire. It is very difficult to resist when everything is available to us instantly online. However, you must withstand it because ejaculation never results in increased energy. After this, you'll feel exhausted and weak, lose your energy, and feel ashamed most of all. Men require a lot of energy to make their intimate spaces tense. This powerful energy will give him the self-assurance to succeed and be a lot more productive. Now let's talk about what happens when you hold on to this powerful energy and refuse to let it go. Men possess a particular glow when they preserve their seed. Women can detect it because it is biologically appealing to them. This added force of energy is detectable by other men who respect it. While exploring social media, you can uncover a variety of stated physical benefits, such as improved overall health, enhanced fertility, and higher testosterone levels. Individuals may also claim psychological benefits, such as increased memory and less anxiety, as well as a better sense of purpose or tighter relationships with their partners. These claims are subjective, which is a problem. And there is a ton of false information online about men's health issues like seed retention. Men with low seed retention are very different from men who hand practice nonstop throughout the day. Such men typically lack presence, are awkward, and lack confidence. They have no particular destination, like aimless zombies on the prowl. The men who keep their seeds have strong personalities and self-assurance despite having different eyes. These men exude an element of unbridled power and primitivism. They try to deny this force in order to maintain a comfortable level for themselves. They believe that holding on to one's seed is neither healthy nor normal. The risk to a person's health from seed retention doesn't appear to be very high. In general, it is a risk-free procedure, with the exception of restricting blood flow to the man's genital. However, having a discharge has been connected to several good things for your health, such as lowering stress, easing pain and tension, strengthening attention and concentration, as well as sleeping better. So it is important to consider the advantages of discharging while considering seed retention to obtain an ejection. Though you shouldn't just walk outside and view some pixelated, explicit material. Everything in this world, Even discharging your seed has an appropriate condition. If you want that soothing relief, get married. Even though social media is not always a trustworthy source for health-related information, if you have any further questions, make sure to get your information from a licensed urologist or a certified healthcare. It is desirable and natural to keep your seed. Have you ever encountered our forebears? Did they turn on us or on each other? They battled for us and shielded us from outside threats. In contrast, because it was vital to their existence, their bodies naturally generated a lot of testosterone. It's incredible how much testosterone our bodies can produce. Our bodies are adaptable and can help us in whatever way we need as long as we respect our genetic makeup and challenge ourselves by taking on difficult jobs. There will be sensations throughout your body. But if you don't put in the effort and develop, you won't succeed. If you want to achieve something, push yourself and develop into a contemporary warrior. Pushing oneself to become a modern warrior is necessary if you want to live in this world. Every one of us holds the potential that our forebears did, but in order to reach it, we must impose limitations on ourselves. Seed retention is paired with weightlifting and leading a healthy lifestyle. You will become more powerful as a result and realize your full potential. Such energy will help you engage with ladies and work out more successfully. Women will be drawn to you because they can see that you have something special in your eyes that other guys do not. Although there is no fixed time after which you must wait to start experiencing retention outcomes, the benefits do get better with time. Your physical power and self-assurance will therefore both grow. If you are often exposed to this energy, you are more likely to form healthy behaviors like learning new things and working harder to achieve your goals. Now that you've seen it, you realize that while seed retention offers numerous benefits for your life, it is not one of them. It's possible that boys and men have different levels of discipline as a result of these variances. Teenage boys can transition from being boys to being masculine men through learning discipline in life. You'll feel more energized and have greater control over your activities if you keep the seed. You should also establish some rules so that you don't develop bad habits or vulnerabilities. Everything in this world is so fetishized, and because using your phone before bed will make you feel exhausted and depleted, it is best to avoid doing so. A cold shower is another option to consider if you start to feel tempted. Seed retention will help you in your quest for fitness if you have healthy boundaries, which will make it simpler for you to lead a disciplined life. Instead of squandering your energy away like a child, establish boundaries, behave properly, and level up. Seed retention isn't necessarily dangerous, but there are potential risks. Not ejaculating can lead to feelings of pain, discomfort, heaviness, or aching in the testicles. This is known as blue balls or epididymal hypertension. However, this doesn't put you in danger or increase your risk for any health conditions, as some myths may suggest. Another potential risk is that retaining your seed and letting it sit stagnant for too long can potentially compromise seed quality. This is mainly a concern if you are in the process of trying to conceive. There is far more research to back up the benefits of discharging your seed than the benefits of depriving yourself of them. Overall, having good seed retention makes you bold and stand out from the crowd. It's time you implement this in your life and become a strong, masculine man. See you guys on the next one.